In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal can't transfer your money. If PayPal is not letting you transfer your money, it usually means there's either a restriction on your account, a problem with your linked payment method, or PayPal's system is holding funds for security reasons. While it can feel frustrating, most issues can be resolved by carefully checking your account status and making a few adjustments. The first thing to do is log into your PayPal account and check for any notifications or account limitations. Sometimes PayPal places temporary holds if they detect unusual activity, if your account needs identity verification, or if you've recently received a large payment. In that case, you may need to upload documents such as a government ID, proof of address, or business details before you can transfer money again. If your account is verified and there are no active limitations, the problem may be with your linked bank account or debit card. Go to your PayPal wallet and make sure your bank account details are correct and that your card hasn't expired. Try removing and re-adding the payment method or use a different bank account if possible. Also, confirm that the name on your PayPal account matches exactly with your bank account name, since mismatches can block transfers. Another common reason PayPal blocks transfers is insufficient available balance. If you've received payments recently, some of the funds may be on hold for 21 days as part of PayPal's pending period for new or high risk transactions. You can speed this up by confirming delivery for goods sold, updating order tracking, or asking the sender to confirm receipt. Technical issues can also cause failed transfers. Make sure your PayPal app is up to date or try logging in through a web browser instead of the app. Clearing cache, switching networks, or disabling a VPN may also help, since PayPal sometimes flags unusual IP addresses as suspicious. If you've tried all these steps and the transfer still doesn't go through, contact PayPal customer support directly. They can tell you exactly why the transfer is blocked and guide you on how to fix it. You can reach them via the Help Center, the in-app chat, or by calling their support line. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.